Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description to sign up for Databox and start tracking your data like a pro, totally free to get started. Let's talk about Databox, one of the top business analytics platforms in 2025. Whether you're managing a team, scaling a startup, or just tired of messy spreadsheets, Databox is your all-in-one solution for tracking performance in real time. With Databox, you can connect data from tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, Facebook Ads, and over 100 more, and visualize everything in custom dashboards, no coding required. Their newest update brings AI-powered insights, helping you spot trends, opportunities, and performance drops instantly. It even offers predictive analytics, so you can make smarter decisions before the data becomes a problem. And yes, it's mobile-friendly. You can literally monitor your KPIs while sipping coffee or walking into a meeting. Plus, Databox is getting huge traction in searches like Best Data Dashboard for a Small Business, KPI Tracking Without Excel, Marketing Analytics Platform 2025. So if you're serious about data-driven decisions and saving hours each week, Databox is the move. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, leave a comment with your favorite dashboard tool or questions, and of course, share this video with someone who needs to up their analytics game. See you in the next one.